bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, I'm going to show you a super duper quick tutorial on how to create these really fun, adorable cupcake toppers. These are super duper quick. It's going to literally take us less than 5 minutes. It's very easy to create. They will be perfect to add to like a cupcake. Maybe you're having like a, I don't know, Valentine's Day party with your family or friends, or maybe your co-workers, and you have some goodies. These are perfect to add to the goodies that you are bringing in. You can also use these as embellishments as well. Maybe send them out as a happy mail. Very, very simple, but super adorable and really easy to create. So all you need are, I have here 3. I'm going to create 3 of them. Toothpicks. Very simple, easy. That's all you need to create your cupcake toppers. This you can find at the dollar store or really anywhere. You're going to need some cupcake liners. I like to use the mini ones for my cupcake toppers, but you can also use the big ones if you want. I'm going to use these 3 that are right here, and all I do to create this really simple duper easy circle is I just basically fold my cupcake liner in half. I kind of squish it in the center, then I open it and I kind of give it my you know, the size that you're looking for and the shape that you're looking for, and that's basically how you're going to get that really simple circular size or shape. That's it. So what are we using to decorate our cupcake toppers? We have these Dollar Tree table scatters, I think it's called. They're just the little hearts that you scattered around the table. I got these at the Dollar Tree. You get a red one, and they also have a pink one. So we're going to use these to decorate the topper. So what I simply just did is I simply just, here, let me show you. Okay, so I'm going to add some hot glue to the back of my heart. And I'm basically just going to add the heart right in the center of the cupcake liner. That's basically all I did. Have the red one here. And then we're going to do another pink. Now, if you don't have these hearts, you can always use stickers, or you could punch out your own hearts too. That is not a bad idea. And you should get something like this. This is really duper super easy. You see that? The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some little bit of spark to the heart. And what I'm going to use for that is going to be the Dollar Tree little heart gems that I also came across last week. These are just heart stickers, and I love using these. And what I did is I used the pink for the pink heart, and I used the red for the red heart. So for the heart, the red heart, I'm going to put the red little sparkly heart in the center. Now, if you want to reinforce your heart to make sure that it doesn't fall, I would add some glue. Okay. And then for the pink one, we're going to add the pinkly sparkly heart right in the center. Oops. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add the toothpicks. So you're going to, on the back of your cupcake little embellishment cupcake liner embellishment, you're going to add the toothpick. So you got to make sure that the heart is facing you correctly. You're going to add a dab of hot glue on the back of the embellishment. And what you're going to do is you're going to add your toothpick right on it and make sure that it's facing how you want it to face. Once you do that, you're going to get another small little tiny heart or sticker or whatever it is that you have handy. I like to use my little, let's see, where are they? What did I do with them? These little sparkly hearts that I got at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to use these, and I'm going to add this sparkly heart right in the back of my toothpick, because that's going to do two things. It's going to hold our toothpicks together in place, and it's also going to be less messy, right? It's going to look much more neater. See that? So you don't see the hot glue, and it's also holding the toothpick in place. So that's perfect. So we're going to do the same thing for these. Make sure they're facing how you want your toothpicks to face. And then, basically like that, you're going to add the sticker right over there, over the toothpick. And voila. And there you have it. And we have one more to go, and then we're done. So these are super duper easy to create. You can literally make a whole bunch of these in a very short time. They are awesome to add to cupcakes or maybe some kind of, I don't know, dessert that you are making. They're super duper easy, but they just give such a nice little Valentine inspired look to any project or any food or anything that you're, even like a cheese platter if you want. That also will be awesome to use. They're just really fun to use, to be honest with you. And you can literally make so many of these in no time. And there you have it, guys. And that's how you create these really super adorable little picks. I love them. I think they look awesome. I think they're perfect for the occasion. And I think that it's going to look super duper adorable in a cupcake, right? Alright, my loves. I hope you enjoy watching me make these. I hope that you guys are getting inspired with all these awesome DIY projects that I'm creating for you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your likes. Make sure you comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Love you. Have a fantastic weekend.